Because this is way easier to show you on paper and you'll be doing it on paper anyway, I went ahead and rewrote it on paper. All right, so here is what we just wrote over to the side. We have all four of our numbers represented, and we have emoji zeros in all the places where there was spaces. All right, so we now are holding all of our spots. All of these numbers have the same amount of digits. All right, so here's the trick. All right, all you have to do is take your hand or a piece of paper or something and cover up everything except for the first digit. All right, as you can see, a little scratch piece of paper or a HEB coupon that you forgot to use the last time that you were at HEB will work just fine. All right, so we're going to start off by looking at our first digit. Now, can we already tell which number is going to be the smallest by looking at the first digit? We have 1, 1, 1, and 0. So yeah, if you're thinking about it, 0 is smaller than 1. So this is our smallest number. This is the least. All right. So we already know which one is the least. I'm sorry, I'm trying to write upside down. All right. So I'm going to draw a dot next to it that makes me know I use this already. All right. So I identified the number that is the least. Okay. So I've done one of my 4 steps. Now, all you have to do is you take this piece of paper and what you're going to do is you're going to slide it over a little bit. Now the decimal point does not show us which number is yet the biggest or smallest. So we're going to slide it over one more spot. So now we're looking basically at the numbers 10, 11, and 13. Can you already tell which one of those numbers is the biggest and which one is the smallest? So if you're comparing the numbers 10, 11, and 13, we're kind of just ignoring the decimal point, like it's not there. It looks like 10, 11, and 13. Sorry, I'm trying to do this backwards. There we go. 10, 11, and 13, right? We've already used 9, so we know 9 is the smallest. So what is the next smallest number? This would be 2 in our list. This is our least, 1. This would be our next least, which is 1 and 0 tenths. The next least would be 1 and 1 tenth. And then finally, the greatest would be 1 and 3 tenths. I'm going to try and write the word greatest. All right. At this point, I've only looked at 2 place values, but I can already tell you which numbers are the least or the greatest. So now, if I uncover it, my information is still true. My smallest number is 92 hundredths. My second smallest number is 1 and 23 thousandths. My third smallest number is 1 and 11 hundredths. And my greatest number is 1 and 3 tenths. So all you got to do at this point is take the emoji zeros back out and put them in order. All right. So when we go and we're trying to put them in order from least to greatest, remember we have to pay attention. Least to greatest. All right. The least was 92 hundredths. That's why it's first. All right. And think about this in a race. Whichever is the smallest number is the winner. If I run the track in 5 minutes and you run the track in 3 minutes, your number is smaller, so you are the winner. All right, so the smallest number is the winner in a race. So if this was a race, 92 hundredths is the smallest, so it's the winner. So when you're doing a race, it's least to greatest. When you're doing like other scores, it's greatest to least. So number two is 1 and 23 thousandths. That's our second least. Our third least was 1 and 11 hundredths. And then finally, our greatest was 1 and 3 tenths. And as you notice, I did not write the emoji zeros into my answers because that wasn't what my numbers looked like originally. So by putting a face in the 0, you know you put it in there. So you know that you're the one who put it in there. So don't put that in your answer, because if you look at the information over here, none of those numbers have those emoji zeros. So take them back out when you put in your information, all right? So I think there is one more, and if there is one more, there is one more. So go ahead and come back, and we will take a look at this last one. And if you want, go ahead and try to stack them. Stack your decimal points, stack your place values, and I want you to put them in order from greatest to least and come back and check your work. All right, give it a shot. See you soon.